Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change thumbnail for YouTube Shorts after upload. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Just tap the logo if your channel, then go to your channel. Here we have Shorts. I have this Shorts. For example, I want to change thumbnail for this one. Here we have three dots. I click the three dots. Edit. Here also I have a pen option. I click pen option. Okay, you see, I can make this one thumbnail, this one, or this one. It's up to me. For example, I selected this one. I selected this part as a thumbnail. Just selected this, tick. You see how it changed it? Just save. Now it's changed. That's the way to change YouTube thumbnail after upload. Have a nice time.